Hello students, yesterday we did was types of relations. We discussed all the types of relations, right? Now we are going to study the types of functions. To study the types of functions, firstly we need is what? What is functions? As you all studied about the functions in the previous class, so you all know that functions are what? Functions are special relations. What speciality functions have? Speciality is this, that only unique image will be there for every element, right? So we can also summarize it as a function is defined as a relation that is either one to one or many to one. That means one element can have only one image, right? That is unique. But if many to one means that many elements of the domain are connected to the one element of the range. But function can't have one to many, because it will contradict the definition of functions, right? So function can have types one to one or many to one, right? That is, no ordered pairs have the same first element. Why they can't have same first element? Because then they will have two images. One element will have two images, which is not possible in the functions. Now we are going to study the types of functions. First type is surjective function. What it is? Surjective function. A surjective function is a function whose image is equal to its codomain. That means every element in the codomain has a pre-image. That means every element of the codomain must be related to the some element of the domain. Then only codomain will be equals to the range. So we can say equivalently, a function f with domain A and codomain B is surjective if for every b in B there exists at least one A in A with f of A equals to B. This means, in short, this means that every element of the codomain must have a pre-image, and pre-image will be in the domain set. So for every b in B there exists at least one A for which f of A must be equals to B. So this type of function is known as surjective function. And one more name is there for this function, this type of function. We can call it as surjective, or we can also call it as onto function. So two names are there, surjective and onto. So what is surjective? If f from A to B, then f is said to be surjective if for every b belongs to B, capital B, there exists A belongs to A such that f of A equals to B. So if I have to summarize it, I will say a function is surjective if and only if the element of each and every element of codomain has a pre-image in the domain set. So this is what? This is the surjective types of functions, right? Next type is injective type of functions. We can say it as injective or one-one function. It is also one-one and it is also injective. So what it is? A function f is injective if and only if for all A and B in A, f of A equals to f of B, then A must be equals to B. That is, they are saying that every element, every distinct element will have distinct image if the function is 1, 1. Got my point? Every distinct element will have distinct image under the function f if f is 1, 1 function, right? So if they are not distinct, their image will also be, if they are not distinct, that means they are same, then their image will also be same. But if they are distinct, their image will also be distinct under f function. So it says a function is f is injective if and only if for all A and B in A, if f of a equals to f of b, that means their image is same, then elements will also be same, right? And in the converse also, if their image is same, then the elements will be same. So this is the working criteria to prove some function to be injective or 1-1. We will take image of two elements under f to be equal, and we will prove that the elements are equal. Then we will say that this function is what? This function is injective. So if it is not equal, that is two distinct elements will be there, and function is 1-1, then their image will also be distinct, right? Got this type of relation? Injective or 1-1 function, right? Now I will move to the combining both the types of functions. If a function is 1-1 and onto, that means a function which is onto as well and 1-1 as well, then that type of functions is known as bijective functions. A function is bijective, bracket 1-1 and onto, right? 1-1 and onto, that means it is bijective if it is both 1-1 and onto, or we can say both injective and surjective. If every element of the codomain is mapped to exactly one element of the domain, that means it is onto as well and surjective as well. So it is possible only if codomain is mapped to the exactly one element of the domain, right? Next I am going to show you graphical representation of surjective and injective functions, right? Now from the first diagram, from the first type of functions, we can see that elements of the domain are related to only one element of the range. So it will be function, and they are related to the distinct images, so distinct elements, so it will be 1-1, but it is not onto. Why it is not onto? Because some elements of the range set or the codomain set are not related to the domain elements, so it is not onto. So onto says this only, that every element of the codomain must have a pre-image. So if some elements are there whose pre-image does not exist, so this function is what? This function is not onto. Next, in the second one, we can see that every element of the codomain is related to the some element of the domain. So every element of the codomain has a pre-image. So if they have a pre-image, then this function is what? This function is onto function. This function is not 1-1, because you can see that there are two elements which are related to one element. As you all can see, these are two distinct elements and they are having same image under f. So this is not possible in 1-1 function. If it is 1-1 function, then distinct elements will have distinct images. So this is not 1-1 function. And in the next one, it is both 1-1 and onto. Now in this diagram also, you can see that four functions are there: f1, f2, f3 and f4. In the f1, we can see that every element of the domain is related to distinct elements of the codomain. So this function is what? 1-1. But we can see that codomain, there are some elements of the codomain which does not have pre-image. What that elements are? They are E and F. So E and F does not have any pre-image. So not all the elements of the codomain has a pre-image. So it is what? It is not onto. It is 1-1, but it is not onto, right? Now moving to the F2, second type of function, we can see that in the domain set 1 and 2 are related to same element B. So if they are related to the same element, two distinct elements have same image, then this function is what? Not 1 1. If it is not 1 1, now check for onto. Check for onto. As you can see in the codomain set, some elements are there, A, E and F, that does not have any pre-image. So if they don't have any pre-image, this function is not onto. So you can check for F3 and F4 also, that they are 1 1 onto or not. So here is an example for you which you can try, right? This is the criteria to prove to some functions to be 1 1 and onto. As you can see in the example 7, they are saying let A be the set of all 50 students of class 10th in a school. Let F from A to N be function defined by F of X equals to roll number of the student X. Show that F is 1 1 but not onto. As you all know that every student of the school will have different roll number. So every different student has a different roll number. That means every different element of the domain have every distinct image. So they are having distinct images, then it is 1 1. But now for onto, we need is what? We need whole codomain to be related to some element of the domain. Now our codomain is what? Codomain is natural numbers, and in our domain set there are only 50 students, but 50 students will relate to only 50 elements. As they have distinct image, that function is 1 1, so they will have distinct image. So only 50 numbers of the natural numbers will be related to elements of A. So if only 50 will be related, others will not be related to some element of A, then that function is not onto. So if this function is not onto, that means some elements of natural numbers are left which does not have a pre-image, right? Now in the 8th example, they have given you a special type of function f of n to n, fx is equals to 2x. They are saying show that this function is 1 1 but not onto. Now criteria was, we will take two distinct elements, we will take the images of two elements to be equal, and we will prove that two elements are equal. If we can prove this, then that function is 1 1, otherwise not. As you can see, function is defined as fx equals to 2x. The function is 1 1. If the function is 1 1, then for f of x1 equals to f of x2, we will get x1 equals to x2. And you all know f of x1 will be 2x1 and f of x2 will be 2x2. If they both are equal, 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get x1 equals to x2. We took the image of two elements to be equal and we proved that two elements are equal. If that two elements are equal, that means this function is what? This function is 1 1, because we proved for all the elements. We took general elements, we did not took unique elements, right? We did not took particular case, we took the general one. So if it is holding for every numbers, then this function is 1 1, right? But this is not onto. Why this is not onto? Because one of the codomain is not related to some element of the domain, because the domain of the numbers is what? Natural numbers, and codomain, or we will say range will be our even numbers, because x is relating to 2x means even numbers. So odd numbers of the codomain will be left out. They will not have any pre-image, they will not be related to some element of the domain. So if they will not be related to the elements of the domain, then they will not be, that function will not be onto function. Now I am leaving the example number 9 for you, and I will also send the PDF of the work, and you need to solve the unsolved examples or exercise problems, and you can see the basics, and you will do the questions and will ask me the problems in the next online class. Thank you.